Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious miso soup without dashi. This simple method focuses on maximizing flavor from readily available ingredients. You will need just a few key items: good quality miso paste, fresh water, and your choice of vegetables. We will also incorporate firm tofu and dried wakame seaweed to build a satisfying and authentic taste profile, ensuring a rich and comforting bowl every time. First, let's create our flavorful broth base. Heat 4 cups of fresh water in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once it's warm, add your selected vegetables, like thinly sliced mushrooms or chopped green onions. Allow these to simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender. Remember, we are building a foundation of taste here, so let the vegetables release their natural goodness. Now for the star ingredient, miso paste. Take about 1/4 cup of the warm broth and whisk in 2 tablespoons of your chosen miso paste until it is fully dissolved. Then, gently stir this smooth miso mixture back into the saucepan. Next, add 4 ounces of firm tofu, cut into small cubes. Heat the soup for just 1 to 2 minutes more, being careful not to let it boil, which preserves the miso's nuanced flavor. To finish your delightful miso soup, stir in 1 tablespoon of dried wakame seaweed right before serving. The warm broth will rehydrate it beautifully. For an extra touch of freshness and visual appeal, garnish each bowl with thinly sliced green onions. Serve your homemade miso soup immediately to enjoy its warmth and rich flavors. This simple yet satisfying recipe yields 4 generous servings, perfect for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.